Finest precision blades, self-sharpening, stay sharp longer to cut all hair types. Adjustable taper lever makes it easy to fade and blend. Secure fit premium guards with stainless steel clips. Guide combs make haircutting at home safe, smooth and easy. Powerful durable motor, quiet, low noise superior performance haircut machine. Premium accessories, shears, scissors, styling comb, cape, bib, blade oil, cleaning brush, handled storage case, drawstring pouch for guards, cord wrap, blade guard. Limited lifetime warranty, for home use only, not valid if used as professional barber clippers. Not for international use, made for U.S.A. electrical wall outlets only. Based on North American dollar sales. Upgrade now #1 brand for hair clippers, beard mustache trimmers. Made in the USA, this high-performance hair clipper is our best for haircutting grooming. Best gift, for dads, sons, boyfriends, for Christmas or holidays. Black and chrome design for a sleek, professional look. Top reviews from the United States. An upgrade over the old Wahls. This Wahl Elite Pro model feels like a definite upgrade to my previous Wahl Colored Pro clippers, which in itself was a solid haircutting set. The Elite Pro clippers are quieter, produce less vibration and the cutting process is very comfortable. The comb guides are softer and gentle on your scalp skin. I definitely think it's been worth it to pay extra $20 to get the Elite Pro model. It also comes with a very nice box.